Have you ever spent hours designing in Canva only to notice a tiny spelling mistake that ruins the professional look of your work? Well, there's a quick and easy solution that can save you time and frustration. Today, we're diving into how to use Canva's spell check feature to make your designs flawless in seconds. First, open your design and select the text box you want to check. It doesn't matter if it's a headline, paragraph, or caption, Canva can handle all of it. Next, look at the toolbar at the top and click on the magic right icon. This is part of Canva's Magic Studio, a set of AI-powered tools that help you create smarter and faster. Once you click the icon, you'll see an option called Fix Spelling. Click it, and Canva will automatically scan your selected text for any errors. The AI will suggest corrections for misspelled words and common typos. You can review the suggestions, and if you're happy with them, simply click Replace to update your text box instantly. What's amazing about this feature is that it works for all text boxes, so you can ensure every part of your design looks polished and professional. No more manual proofreading, no more embarrassing mistakes. Canva does it for you in just a few clicks. And that's it. With Canva's spell check, creating error-free designs has never been easier. Try it on your next project and see how much smoother your workflow becomes.